Where we at, Batman? Come on. We're in San Francisco. Lamo. Here in SF, y'all. That's not what we came to look at. We are here not to protest or encampment, but to rise up to put an end to sweeps, because they are sweeping us like trash, and homelessness kills. It is not a game. Sweeps kill. When they do the sweeps, where do we go? Where do they expect us to go when they sweep us like trash? Go where? We the people. Where do we go? Sweeps kill. Community, awfulness community. It ain't about that tree either, but look, we are present for the people, the greatest gift of all. We are present for the people in a time like now where oppression has many of us ill, in the grave, incarcerated, or caught up in a lifestyle that is not allowing us to reach our purpose and full potential.